In this video, we're going to unbox and assemble the MasterChef Portable Charcoal Grill from Canadian Tire. Let's do it. Welcome to The Rural Dad. I'm Jeff King. If this is your first time tuning in, first of all, thank you. On this channel, I like to talk about barbecuing. I like to talk about do-it-yourself projects and sometimes beer. If you also share the same interests, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button and you'll be the first to know every time I upload a new video. Today we're going to take a look at the MasterChef Portable Charcoal Barbecue from Canadian Tire. It's small, it's lightweight, and it's perfect for family trips. So let's get this box open, we'll take all the parts out, and we'll see if even I can assemble this. Okay, let's dive in. This model has a black porcelain coated grill. Instructions. Stainless steel charcoal grill. With a handle. A handle for the lid. A vent. We have some hardware. There's your stand with your foldable legs. What do you got? Oh, looks like it goes on here. Leave the lid. And we have the base. Okay, our first step. We're going to attach the body of the barbecue to the base and take a wing nut, a bolt, and a washer. Also, all the screws in this set are Phillips. Next, we're going to attach these two vents to the side to control your air. Oh, buddy, I'm putting together a barbecue. What are you doing? Okay, our next step is they want us to assemble the lid. Two heat-resistant washers. Two black washers. Two wing nuts. The black ones. Next we want to add our top vent. that. Now they want us to add this handle for the bottom bowl. Black washer on each side. Okay, now our last step, I'm gonna dump the charcoal grill. Gonna put our ceramic grill and our lid. And that's it. One thing I'm probably going to add, seeing as how it doesn't have it, is a little, I'm gonna drill a hole for a temperature gauge. I kinda need one of them when you're cooking something low. Other than that, I kinda like it. There's nothing to it at all. Next step is I'm going to put some charcoal in the bottom, and I'm just going to condition it so it'll burn out any oils or anything left over from the manufacturing process. It'll get rid of that smell of the new paint, and that way you won't have anything transferring onto your food that you're not going to enjoy. Alright, well, that was no big deal. It took probably maybe 20 minutes to assemble, and that was while dealing with kids. I'm going to just give you the dimensions here. It's 14 inches wide. We've got 20 inches tall. This thing's like just about 5 pounds. Regular price at Canadian Tire is $33 Canadian. 1-year warranty. This thing has excellent reviews. It's one of their best sellers, and I can't wait to use it. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on The Rural Dad.